Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, guys. So today I will show you how to do iframes. Okay, do anyone have any idea about iframes? Iframes are nothing but like if you see in YouTube, right? I will show you how to do this. Okay. If you want to place a video in your website, if you want to display a video in your website, so you have to use iframes. I will show you some. I will search for some any video, random video. See, okay. I will display this video. So for this video to display in your website, like for any YouTube video or for any links that you have been given, you can use iframes directly to display the video in your site. I will show you how it works. See, this is one video, right? So this is about 146, 1 minute 46 seconds. So if you want to display this whole Google video in your website, and if you want to design this video also, you can do this. You have to click on this share button. This is the share button, and here you can see this embedded one. You have to click on this embedded code. This is all the iframe code. You can see iframe here, right? The first word. This is the iframe. So you have to copy all this code. So just click on here, copy. So it has been copied to my clipboard. I will repeat the process. You have to open the video. You have to click on the share. You have to click on the embedded. The video embedded code will open. So you have to just copy it. This you have to copy. And you have to paste it in your code. See, inside the body, you have to paste that code. See, this whole thing I have pasted. This whole embedded code, what I have showed you earlier. This whole thing I have pasted over there. This whole iframe. This will have opening and closing tag iframe. So I have pasted here the whole thing. So I will now just save it, and I will run the code. I'm running in Visual Studio. You can run it anywhere. See, the video has been displayed here. If you want to resize this video, you can do this. You can just, I will give some 200 and 200. I will save it, and now I will run it. See, the size of the video has been reduced. You can place as many videos as you want. See, I will now open another video. This one. This is another video, right? So the same process you have to repeat. Embedded, you have to copy. I will now disable this show player controls. If you open this, the player controls will all come. I will just close this and just copy it. And now I will just paste it here down this iframe. I will also reduce the size here also 20, 200, 200 I will do. And this also some. I will do this as 300. It can hide, you can change as you want. I will save this and I will run this. See, you can see, right? 2 videos has been displayed here. If you want to display another video, you can display as many videos as possible, and you can even use this grid and flex for this. And if you can use any CSS, you can use anything you want for these videos. Now I will do this break tag. We'll save this. You can see. If I use break tag, it breaks the line and it displays in another line. So this is the use of iframes. You can modify, you can give one class to this, one class, and you can write your CSS. Whatever you want, you can do. You can add one border to this video. You can do whatever you want, you can do. If you click on this video, it allows the full screen. I will show you. See, allows full screen. Keeping up with the new. So you can even open full screen also this video. It's very important in your websites. While you are in some websites, you will see like about their company or about their product. They will display some videos, right? Like in one horizontal line. So for this, by using this, you can do this thing. So this is about iframes, guys. Now I'm going to teach you about. So it's clear, right? Iframes.
Nice. Yes, ma'am.
Now I will teach you about some list items, how you have to display your. Till now you have seen how to display items, how to display videos, and all. Like who have attended my previous sessions, you all have an idea about how to display all the elements in a particular fashion, how to design the elements and all, but you don't know how to display particular text in particular format. Most of the web developers use these tags to display text in a particular format, like in a I will show you after running the code how it displays. I mentioned 4 skills. Here is the UL. Now I will show you how it works. See, by using dots, it will represent this set of lists by using dots. This is called as unordered list. It's not in an ordered fashion. Now down to that, I'll write OL for the difference. One list item, something HTML. Another list item, CSS. Another list item, Bootstrap. Another list item, JavaScript. Let's save. See, it's in an 1, 2, 3, 4 fashion. That is in an ordered fashion. It's unordered and it's ordered. It's very important to display some text, some set of text in your websites. Most of the web developers use these things. So you have a clear idea about UL and OL, right? Now I will show you how to display DL. DL is nothing but description list. It describes an item. DL. We'll show you how. Inside the DL, you have to use DT. DT is nothing but description term, like description term. So what term you want to describe? So for suppose I want to describe apple. Okay. For that apple, DT is description term. DD is description data. Data is nothing but what that describes apple, what it describes. So DD is nothing but description data. I will show you now. Is in red color. You are displaying. You are describing apple, right? So DL is nothing but description list. This is all list. Inside this list, there will be description term. That is nothing but, for suppose, my name is Sushma. So Sushma, you have to describe Sushma in DD. DD is nothing but description data. What you are describing. So here you see apple. It's in an like already applied CSS form, right? So but it's not in just one line. We did this. I will write another thing. Same thing. I will just copy and paste it for the time. Mango. Lovely. And see. These are all nothing but set of items lists. This is all about lists. Only these three things is enough, more than enough for describing a particular list or for displaying a particular list in your website. So hope it's clear. Is it clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now I will show you how to display parallax effect. That is nothing but one simple animation. Most of the websites you have you have gone through. You can see in most of the websites the thing. One second. You can see in most of the websites that animation effect and all. Now I will show you how it will be. So for that, first of all, I will write one class here. I will write one class. In internal CSS I am writing. You all have an idea about internal CSS, right? In previous classes I have explained you. Those who have joined new to this class, I will explain you in the next class. This is internal CSS, nothing but we will write inside the head part, this CSS. This is called as internal CSS. I am writing one class, guys. Some parallax. Whatever class you want, you can write. So this is nothing but parallax effect, right? So I am using parallax. I will show you how that effect will be. So class dot displays, dot is nothing but class and hash is nothing but ID. I've explained in previous classes, right? So for those who are new, I will explain you in the next class. Same. So inside this class, now I will write one background. I want one background image. See that effect will be how the effect will be means there will be one background image and there will be text on the top and text on the bottom. If you scroll the text, the image will be constant, but the text will come on the image. Okay, I will repeat. There will be one background image in your laptop screen, and there will be one text on the top and one text on the bottom. If you scroll your screen, then the text will hover, like text will appear on the top of the image. Okay, I will show you how it appears. So for that, I need one background image, right? For that background image, I need one thing. So background image URL I have to enter here. URL is, I've already downloaded one image in my desktop. I will show you if you want. See this image I have already downloaded, bg.jpg. So I will enter that bg.jpg. Whatever image you want, you can take it. It's simple. So one image I have been set it up like for the background image for the full screen. So for that I have to give minimum height, right? Minimum height, it has to have minimum height. Minimum height I will set some anything you want. You can set anything. Pixels. In pixels format, I have given the height, minimum height. It has to have minimum that height. Maximum, it can have anything. So background shouldn't move, right? It has to be fixed. So I'm giving fixed image. It has to be, and background should not repeat. Only one thing I need. Only it should not repeat. No repeat. It shouldn't repeat. Only one image is enough for me. So background size should cover whole screen. So I'm using cover, and background position, it has to be in the center of the screen. Background position. It has to be in the center. This is my CSS, guys. Okay. First of all, after setting up the image, you have to display that image in your screen, in your body part. This is just styling of the image, but the image has not been displayed yet in your screen, right? For that, first of all, I need one text on the top of the image. So for that, I'm writing one key. Inside this, let whatever you want. This is parallax effect in today's class. Whatever you want, you can write. So one text will appear on the top of the screen. Now the screen is empty and one text will appear on the top of the screen. So after that, you want to display your image, right? You have given class, but you are not displaying your image. For that, I am writing div class is equals to what's my class where I am displaying my image, parallax, right? So the parallax I am writing using this div. So one text has been appeared and the image has been appeared as we have set it up the CSS. So now down to that, I will write another div. This div is for the bottom text. The bottom text or whatever you want, you can write. So the div, I'll let some text, whatever text you want. I'll let some random text. Sorry for the time being, I'm writing this text and all. Don't think that what is this all crap. So for the bottom text I have written, the bottom text I will now design the bottom text. Okay. For that I'm writing inline cases. You can write external CSS also, internal CSS also. You want whatever you want, you can write. So for this text I'm setting up height now. Height 1000 pixels, and I'm writing background color. Background color, whatever you want, you can give. I will give some blue. And font size. Font is not necessary. Font style, you can give whatever you want. Some 30 pixels. Whatever styling you want, you can give, guys. I'm just giving some random style. So now I have saved this. Now I will run the code. Okay, the image is not taking. Why? Name I will see bg.jpg. It's correct, but it's not taking. Okay, I think it's my laptop problem because I have not set it up the path. If size has not been set. Which size? Which div size? For this div you are asking? No, it's correct. Without setting the height also, it takes like auto height and auto width for the image. Okay. So we have already given minimum height, right? Minimum height is 500 pixels for this image. So it can be more than 500 pixels also. But just now I have installed, like this is my new Mac and I have just now downloaded that image. So maybe it may be that problem, or else you can just give an image file and you can give that thing. Okay. I will add this image here. So for that I have to go again to the files and all. So guys, here there will be image here. Basically here it will be image. So if you scroll this thing on the top of the image, it's the text will scroll like this. here it will be image. So image will display in your laptops. Like now, there's no time further to me. Like just give the path here. Image will particularly like mandatory. It will display. Now can you repeat it once again? Yes, I will show. So see here. Here the image will display, and if you scroll this thing, it will appear like this. Okay.
Excuse me,
Try.
ma'am.
Yes.
Can you just repeat the thing what you did in the body part?
In the body. Yes, I will repeat the whole thing, not really body part. Okay. Basically, here what we are doing, here on the top we are giving one text, in the bottom we are giving one text, and here there will be one image. Sorry, like now. Okay, I will now show you. I will just drag and drop this thing. Text this, it's copying the text. Think I have to set all these paths in my laptop now. Okay, for now, okay, you can. You are getting it right. Here the total empty space will be the image. Total empty space. Whatever the white screen you are seeing, the empty. Okay, I will show you in Google now. Here it's not that here. See, this is the parallax effect. If you scroll this, the screen, the image will move on here, on the top of the image. There is some path problem in my laptop. This total empty screen will be a image. Okay, if you scroll this, it will appear here. Now I will show you the code. So this is the one text part, this is the image part, and next again the text part. Total three parts: text part, image part, and the text part. See here. So for that, first we are writing one text here. P, one text. This text is nothing but P is nothing but paragraph tag. Whatever text you write, it displays like this. Here is the one text. So bottom of the text, I want image, right? Here the total empty space is nothing but the image like this. This is all the empty space, like this it looks. So this is all empty space, image. So for that image, I'm writing one class called Parallax. Okay. There is a class name. Say. Okay.
Ma'am?
For that, I'm writing class. Yes.
Can you inspect the page, ma'am?
Yeah. If even though I inspect the page image will be empty. Why? Because my path is not set. See.
Just set, you can set to relative path, ma'am, / in front of them.
Yes, but it's in the desktop, right? I have to again move to image folder and all.
Ma'am, you can try to copy the image by Command+C button. Like you're using an Apple device, right?
Yes.
Just Command+C and go into your HTML folder and just Command+V there.
Yeah, I did the same, but it's copied.
Not in the image, not in the text.
Yes, okay,
Just
directly
outside.
outside.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. That's it. The image should come now.
Yes. Okay, thank you. It's just that I'm new to Mac, so thank you. Okay. So this is the image. So for that image to appear, you have to write one class. Class is nothing but one class. You can use this class in n number of tags. Okay, you can use tags in more than one. You can use this class in more than one tag. So for this tag, I'm writing on background image. Image is nothing but bg.jpg. This is the image. So in that I'm giving minimum height. It should be 500. More than 500 it can be minimum height. Whatever you want, you can give the minimum height. I'm giving background should be fixed. It shouldn't move. Background should not repeat. Only one image should appear. Background should cover whole screen. Background position should be in center. Like the image position should be center. So for that image, I'm giving here just the class. So after this text, that image will appear. So down to that, I'm giving the text again. See this text. You can see, right? This text I'm giving this text. So for the text, I have given some text here, random text. For this text, I'm giving styling. So style is nothing but some height. I'm giving some height, 100,000 pixels, 2,000 pixels, whatever you want, you can give. I'm giving the background color. Color of the background should be blue, right? So here background color, you can see. This is the height. This is all the height. Total this empty space it's height up to here. It's 1,000 pixels. So background color is nothing but blue, and font size of the text, this is 30 pixels. You can even decrease or increase your font size. Suppose I will give some 80 pixels. See, the text size has been increased. So whatever you want, you can give it here. So this is nothing but parallax effect. Hope it's clear, right? Is it clear, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now I will show you. I'll just clear all this stuff. So now I will show you how to display emojis and GIFs. You all know, right? GIF is nothing but you can just use image tag for displaying GIF. Now I will show you how to display emojis in your website. So for that emojis will have certain codes. I have noted down some codes. You can just Google the emoji code and you can just copy and paste the code over your thing. So now I will show you how to do that. So for that we can use any tag, H tag or P tag, whatever you want you can display, and we can use like hi everyone. And your code is nothing but there will be certain code for each and every emoji. You have to just Google that. No one will remember those codes, right? So you have to just Google that. This is the code of an emoji. So I'm just saving this. And see. This is one emoji. Like whatever emojis you want, you can just display those things. I will write another emoji code. Save it. See, you can see another emoji. You can even give height, width for these emojis, or you can give font style. Whatever you want, you can give. See, now I will give one inside the style internal CSS. I will write and P for P tag. For P, I'm giving some font size. There's some 50 pixels. See, it has been increased. Okay, so whatever you want, you can play with the emojis and all. It's as simple as that. Yeah, it will be available with the Learnovate team. Okay. Okay, guys, hope it's clear. I will send the task in the written format. Okay, chalo. Have a great day, guys. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.